Hi everybody, welcome to EduTap. Before preparing for any examination, it is very important to understand the difficulty level of the questions that are asked in examination. In how much depth the questions are the questions from syllabus only, or syllabus is just for the reference and outside of syllabus questions are also asked, right? And if yes, then how much extent you have to study. All these doubts you must have and you always have in your mind while you're preparing for exam. So today we have decided that for the NABARD grade A for ARD phase 1 of the latest examination cycle, that is of 2024, we have come up with the solved papers of it so that you can understand the questions that you can expect in the ARD section of the NABARD grade A examination in phase 1. Okay, we will not just talk about question and answer, we will not just provide you with question and answer in this particular lecture, but I will also mention that to what part of the syllabus does this question cater to, and also we will talk about that how you can prepare for the particular section. Okay, but before that, is an announcement to all the aspirants of preparing for the NABARD grade examination. We have come up with one-stop solution guide to all the queries that you can possibly have regarding the institute or regarding the recruitment process. Okay, so we have mentioned all about the NABARD organization, about its functions and everything. Along with that, your role as a NABARD grade A officer. Apart from that, we have also mentioned about the recruitment process, how many phases are there, what is the pattern of each phase, what is the syllabus of the examination. Apart from that, all about the sources that you can refer to in case you want to go for self preparation, and also some steps also to enrich your preparation. So do not miss the opportunity. You can download these e-guidebooks which are present, the link of which it is present in the description box below. Okay, now let's talk about this examination in phase 1 in ARD section. Okay, if you talk about ARD phase 1 section, you are asked 40 questions. Okay, if I go for more than 2-3 years analysis, we can come to this conclusion that in out of these 40 questions, 30 to 32 questions are asked from static and around 8 to 10 questions are asked from current affairs. And the similar pattern was observed this year as well. Okay, where 90% was asked from static and 10% was asked from current affairs. Okay, so now let's discuss question and see that was it part of static, current affairs, why was this asked, okay, was it out of syllabus or not, should you prepare that topic or not, okay, one by one. Let's come to question number 1, and it says what is the process of separating a cow from its mother. Okay, this particular topic, it is from your animal husbandry section, and in fact if you will look at most of the questions that are asked in static, those are related to terminology. So it's like the favorite way of the institute of asking question. They would describe you a particular topic and then they would expect you to tell us that or tell them that terminology. ठीक है, तो आप maximum question जो देखोगे वो इसी basis में. ठीक है, so this is option number C, weaning. That particular process is known as weaning. Why separation is done? So that because if calf and mother will be living together, calf will take drink all the milk, right? So that is why separation is done at the initial stages, so that mother and calf don't get attached and then the farmer they can extract the milk. Okay, second is what is the term for the progeny of the breeder seed. Now this topic is from seed and sowing part of your syllabus. Okay, and in your seed and sowing there are different types of seeds that exist, and again if you look at it here, the description was given. Okay, ki progeny of breeder seed means these seeds are made from the breeder seed. Okay, and these can be made at recognized agencies, government bodies, ICAR, state government organizations. ठीक है, तो progeny of breeder seed क्या होती है हमारी foundation seed होती है. So that is your answer. Coming to the next question, in India more than 40% of arable land is under which type of soil? Soil and water conservation. देखो, the soil and water conservation, your animal husbandry and poultry and plantation and horticulture, these are the most important chapters. However, we have 9 top chapters. ठीक है, I will tell you the name. लेकिन from where maximum time questions are asked and many questions are asked. Okay, so abhi tak animal husbandry we have seen, seed and sowing sometime it comes chapter, sometime it does not come, so it is important but not the most important. Okay, then so you have to prepare, but you can keep that at lower priority than the chapters where I'm emphasizing. So yes, types of soil ka answer question hai, alluvial soil is the correct answer over here. Okay, next again from animal husbandry the question has been asked, cowpox disease caused by which of the following. Okay, वैसे cowpox was pretty much in news for past 2-3 years, ठीक है, because of this disease that was spread among cows, and did not have any cure. That is why a lot of cows were affected, ठीक है. Virus is the correct answer over here. Which among the following is a post-harvest process? Again, as I said, plantation and horticulture is a very important topic, and if you look at it again, the description has been given, and you have to identify that what is that process is known as, where cutting flowers to reduce rate of aging for maintaining quality and remove heat field, ठीक है. तो इसको बोलते हैं प्री कूलिंग बोलते हैं, ठीक है. तो next coming to which of the following buffalo breed is the highest milk yielder? Again, if you keep on counting, you will see questions are so much from animal husbandry, right? So if you look at it, option number A, Mura, is the correct answer, ठीक है. Again, ये सारी चीजें these are part of your syllabus. Again, a question from animal husbandry from the milk topic, ठीक है. The question has been asked, what is the meaning of term galactopoiesis, ठीक है. तो galactopoiesis, this is the term that is related to milk, and it means what? Once the cow it start giving milk, and then after for some time till the lactation period it continues to give milk, right? So this term is known as galactopoiesis. Maintenance of milk matlab that once the milking begins, for some certain duration it keeps on producing milk, ठीक है. तो that is known as what? Galactopoiesis, ठीक है. Next है, which of the following extension education method demonstration shows farmer how to do something? Again, the description was given that what is the name of the extension education method where demonstrations are given to the farmer to do something, ठीक है. So such type are known as method demonstration, where method is shown to the farmer, ठीक है. Surge irrigation, this belongs to irrigation chapter. It is also an important chapter. Which of the following type of irrigation, ठीक है. Again, description was given, and it was said that furrow irrigation का modified version है क्या? Surge irrigation, ठीक है. Next is, which of the following is the objective of mulching? Now this belongs to your agronomy chapter, ठीक है. एग्रोनॉमी चैप्टर, दिस इज द बेसिक्स ऑफ एग्रीकल्चर, ठीक है. तो मल्चिंग का मेन ऑब्जेक्टिव क्या है? दैट इज टू रिड्यूस सॉइल एंड वाटर इरोजन. ऑल द एक्सप्लेनेशंस हैव गिवन ऑफ ऑल द क्वेश्चंस. व्हेन यू विल गेट पीडीएफ फ्रॉम द टेलीग्राम चैनल, you can look at the explanation. Now this is a question from current affairs, ठीक है. आपके current affairs में क्या आते हैं? आपके current affairs में government schemes can be asked, reports can be asked, ठीक है. Apart from that, journal topics that are related to agriculture, current affairs, those can be asked. So this is from census 2011, ठीक है. And it says, what is the minimum population defined which will define the term rural? So in census there are some definitions have been given. That rural area will be considered where population is what? Population is your 5,000, ठीक है. That will be called as a rural area, ठीक है. तो ये वहाँ से क्वेश्चन पूछा है. In fact, this can also be related to your static part of rural development. At least in our course in EduTap, we have included this topic in the static part of rural development, where according to different committees, ठीक है, what is the definition of rural India? What is the population that needs to be there to consider a area rural? We have added that information in our rural development topic, ठीक है. तो यहाँ पे 5,000 से कम होनी चाहिए. Which farm structure used to store and protect the animal fodder so that it prevents idle conditions, ठीक है. Animal fodder is cut. You might feel like it also belongs to animal husbandry, but actually this question is from your farm and engineering. Why this is from farm and engineering? Because this talks about those structures. So in farm, whatever structures are being formed, we cover it under agriculture engineering. और यहाँ पे silos type structure होते हैं where animal fodder they are being preserved. Why they are preserved? Because in monsoon season they are very ample in amount, right? But in summer seasons they are not available, so they are preserved at that state so that it can be utilized when the conditions are not ambient, ठीक है. An air parcel that raises at constant temperature and constant water vapor at the air parcel reaches saturation, ठीक है. तो ये आपका आंसर है ऑप्शन नंबर ई, ड्यू पॉइंट टेम्परेचर. दिस बिलोंग्स टू योर एग्रोमेट्योरोलॉजी टॉपिक, ठीक है. नेक्स्ट इज रबी मार्केटिंग सीजन इज फ्रॉम, ठीक है. तो इसको भी आप अगेन स्टैटिक एंड करंट अफेयर्स यू कैन कीप अंडर बोथ, ठीक है. रबी सीजन, खरीफ सीजन, दे आर इट्स ऑलवेज इन न्यूज, ठीक है. हाउएवर अगर एग्रीकल्चर इकोनॉमिक्स में यू कैन कीप दैट टू बी स्टैटिक पार्ट, ठीक है. रबी सीजन इज योर विंटर सीजन, ठीक है. तो यहाँ पे when we talk about rabi season, that is the winter season, but rabi marketing season to means your crops have grown in winter season, so of course its marketing will be observed in the spring season, right? Because after winters harvesting is done, and after winters which season comes? That is your spring season, ठीक है. तो ये आपका अप्रैल टू मार्च, तो मतलब अप्रैल, मई, जून, जुलाई, अगस्त, सितंबर, देन मार्च, ठीक है. तो आपका रबी सीजन विंटर में होता है, बट रबी मार्केटिंग सीजन विल बी इन योर समर्स. व्हाई? Because in winters crop has been grown, and now what has happened? The harvesting has happened and now it's being sold into the market. That is why rapid marketing season it's in summers. ठीक है. What gene is responsible for causing seedlessness in grapes? ठीक है. तो ये this content it belongs to your it can be under plantation and horticulture, but it's not a very like core concept. ठीक है. core अगर बात करें it is from genetics, plant genetics. ठीक है. but this was asked in your examination. ठीक है. तो genes यहाँ पे जो dormant gene है आपका उसकी वजह से होती है seedlessness होती है. Which of the following funds is managed by NABARD? ठीक है. तो this can be part of your NABARD annual report. ठीक है. तो यहाँ पे if you look at it option number B, Indian National Fund for Climate Change. वैसे तो this is part of your current affair, generic current affair also. However, there was mention of this in your annual report also. So we are keeping it in NABARD annual report. तो इससे what do we get to know or understand that NABARD annual report is equally important. What is the role of calcium in the plant cycle? This again it belongs to your soil and water conservation chapter. ठीक है. Option number B, ठीक है, 1 and 2 that is to structural stability, that is to provide structural stability of cell membrane and utilize organic acids. For both cases calcium is pretty much useful. ठीक है. Which of the following types of drip irrigation system? Again a topic from irrigation. I told you before, right? Irrigation is equally important chapter. So if you look at it here, it says which of the following type of drip irrigation system? Again the description has been given. ठीक है. Where pipes are being laid below the soil surface. ठीक है. Drip emitters are there that releases water into the soil. So such type is your subsurface drip irrigation. ठीक है. Next, coming to which of the following is commonly used for cryopreservation of seeds. ठीक है. This is part of your preservation methods under your plantation and horticulture crops. Again, as I said, plantation and horticulture crops is an important topic. Liquid nitrogen is used for that purpose. ठीक है. Which of the following Mandarin varieties is famous is known as Pokhan? Now, this is your out of syllabus. वैसे तो you can link it to plantation and horticulture crops, but as of now it has been never seen that they are going that the institute is asking for varieties. Like there are different varieties. Mandarin is a type of citrus fruit. ठीक है. तो it's never been asked that they are asking you that what is the variety of apple, which of the following is variety of grapes. Such questions have never been asked. Grapes, yes, one or two questions have been asked, लेकिन grapes is an important topic of your plantation and horticulture, so it is expected. But from others it has never been asked. So it and this particular topic was not even in news, so it is part of your static only. But you have to understand that in all the cycles there will be one or two purposely added difficult questions to maintain a difficulty level of the examination. Not all questions can be easy or moderate, right? Because there has to be there has to be a standard of examination, a certain examination, right? So this question is not expected in future that such questions will be asked, or even if there will be one in nature. So that is a risk that you can take, right? If you are from agriculture background and if you know the varieties name, that's fine, but if you don't know, you don't have to freak out. Such questions are there, ठीक है, which will be asked every year, which you won't be able to do, so you need not to worry. Which of the following state in India is the highest milk producing state in 2023? So this topic is from your basic animal husbandry statistic. ठीक है. अब वैसे तो we recommend that 4 months before examination and maximum to maximum up to 6 months before examination is most important, right? But for your phase 1 happened on 1st of September and this topic was is from 2023. So why this question was asked? ठीक है. देखो, you need to understand there are some reports which are released annually, means they come once a year, right? So it does not matter if that is in your 6 months time period or not, but if any report comes annually and this report usually comes in your November December time period, right? So it will be asked in the examination. ठीक है. तो ये क्वेश्चन पूछा था, बहुत बहुत ही ज्यादा इजी क्वेश्चन था to the ones who have prepared for this. Next is which of the following is an example of artificial ecosystem? तो ये आपका इकोनॉमी टॉपिक को इट्स टच, ठीक है, लैंड यूज फॉर एग्रीकल्चर. वैसे इजी था, ठीक है, टू डू. आर्टिफिशियल इकोसिस्टम में तो इफ यू आर डूइंग दैट फॉर एग्रीकल्चर, दैट इज योर आर्टिफिशियली क्रिएटिंग. ठीक है. Which of the following portal is launched for solving problems of farmers? Now this belongs to your rural development component. ठीक है. कृषि संवाद. ठीक है. This belongs to actually your current affair portion. ठीक है. आपको current affair portion को ये address करता है. Next is also your current affairs. India's net zero target COP26 is by. तो अब ये why this question was asked, ठीक है. देखो if you look at the syllabus, ecology and climate change is part of it. ठीक है. तो इसलिए this question was asked because this is touching that climate change wala factor, right? Net zero target. What is net zero? It is related to your release of carbon dioxide into the atmosphere, ठीक है? तो जो आपकी ग्रीन हाउस एमिशन है, कार्बन एमिशन की बात कर रहे हैं, ठीक है, इनटू द एटमॉस्फेयर. सो वी हैव डिसाइडेड कि बाय 2070 वी विल अचीव दैट, ठीक है, और वी विल ट्राई टू अचीव दैट. इन विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग टाइप्स ऑफ एक्वेटिक प्लांट्स, अगेन ये आपका जो टॉपिक है एग्रोनॉमी से रिलेटेड है, ठीक है, दिस इज रिलेटेड टू योर एक्वेटिक प्लांट्स, ठीक है, वीट से रिलेटेड है, इसमें फ्लोटिंग वीट इज द करेक्ट आंसर, ठीक है. नेक्स्ट है, नाउ दिस इज फॉर द वेरी फर्स्ट टाइम, फॉर द वेरी वेरी फर्स्ट टाइम अ न्यूमेरिकल वाज आस्क्ड इन द एग्जामिनेशन. Again, what you can do, there are certain chapters जैसे agriculture engineering, there are certain numericals that are related to electric motor, you can do that, ठीक है. वैसे तो in future I doubt that questions will be there from numericals, and even if that will be there, that will be one in nature. So now you have two options. I'm giving you that liberty to choose whatever option. Either like you can skip numericals, one only will be asked in the exam, or maximum to maximum two will be asked in examination. So either you can skip that, or if you feel like no, you want to be like 110% prepared, ठीक है, तो जैसे agronomy है, then we have agronomy chapter, cropping pattern and cropping system, then we have this agriculture engineering chapter. There are certain numericals, you can do that, ठीक है, to be on the safer side, ठीक है. तो यहाँ पे आपका इलेक्ट्रिक मोटर रिलेटेड क्वेश्चन पूछा गया था, जिसमें ओके, सो द रिपीटेशन हैज हैपेंड, ठीक है. 1500 इज द आंसर. तो इसमें जैसे कैसे था, देखो यहाँ पे ना एचपी में था गिवन, ठीक है, योर वैल्यू, एंड व्हेनेवर यू टेक आउट, व्हेनेवर यू डू न्यूमेरिकल्स, यू ऑलवेज नीड दैट इन किलोवाट, ठीक है. तो 1 HP हॉर्स पावर इज इक्वल टू 0.746 किलोवाट. सो 20 HP was given, so that becomes your 17 kilowatt approx, ठीक है. Then question was asked about how much, cost that will be required, the money that will be required for running this electric motor, ठीक है. So for that, for 100 hour we need how much for 1 kilowatt, that was 15, so you multiply it by that 100, ठीक है, and then you just multiply it by the money that was given, that was 1 rupee, ठीक है, कॉस्ट दी थी 1 रुपये, दैट यू मल्टीप्लाइड बाय इट एंड यू गॉट द आंसर, ठीक है. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग कमिटीज सजेस्टेड द आइडिया ऑफ डेमोक्रेटिक डिसेंट्रलाइजेशन ऑफ पंचायती राज रिलेटेड टू योर रूरल डेवलपमेंट टॉपिक, ठीक है, बलवंत राय मेहता कमेटी वाज द राइट आंसर. नाउ दिस अगेन इज फ्रॉम योर करंट अफेयर्स, एंड दिस ईयर they increase the difficulty level every year. You know how they used to ask question that according to second advance estimate, what is the expected production of flowers, or maybe expected production of fruits, or maybe vegetables, like for a singular. This time they maintain the difficulty level by asking you to rank it in decreasing order. So it means you should know the production of all the commodities to make it into a ranking, ठीक है. Rare chances that in future such questions be repeated. देखो again, there has to be some questions asked in a difficult manner to maintain a difficulty level, ठीक है. So उसके लिए क्वेश्चन पूछा गया था, but don't expect कि future में आएगा. But yes, you can be like aware or vigilant about it कि if such questions will be asked. So for that you have to be prepared. So memorize the production of all the commodities that are mentioned over there, ठीक है. Microorganisms are used to kill diseases and pests in crop plants. Which of the following group, ठीक है. तो ये आपका एग्रोनॉमी से रिलेटेड अगेन है, पैरासिटॉइड है आंसर, ठीक है. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग आर एग्रीकल्चर एलिजिबल बेनिफिशरीज अंडर प्रधानमंत्री आवास योजना ग्रामीण. So as I said, in your current affairs, generic current affairs are asked, as we have seen about net zero target, right? NABARD is funding which of the following, right? So these are generic current affairs related to agriculture. Then we saw report also, जैसे basic animal husbandry statistic आया, NABARD annual report was asked, and what we have also understood कि government schemes से पूछी जाती है. तो government schemes में आवास योजना का eligible beneficiaries बता दिए, जिसमें all families who have either 1 or 2 room non-permanent housing, they can apply for under PMAY Gramin Yojana, ठीक है. Again a question from your government scheme. So for to be eligible under Unnati project, so there has to be some criteria met under Manrega. So that question was asked, ठीक है. तो कितना days होना चाहिए to be part of Unnati project? So how much days must be completed under Manrega? 100 days, ठीक है. Next is which of the following on a tractor is a shaft that transfer power from tractor engine to machines and implements? Again a question from agriculture engineering. You should know what is that नेम दैट इज नोन एज, ठीक है. तो यहाँ पे पावर टेक ऑफ पीटीओ शाफ्ट उसको बोलते हैं. नेक्स्ट इज विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग मिशन ऑफ गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया इज बिल्ड ह्यूमन एंड इंस्टीट्यूशनल साइंस एंड कैपेसिटी इन क्लाइमेट चेंज रिलेटेड टू योर करंट अफेयर. एंड आई सेड बिफोर, इकोलॉजी एंड क्लाइमेट चेंज इज पार्ट ऑफ योर करंट अफेयर, इज पार्ट ऑफ योर सिलेबस, एंड अ लॉट ऑफ करंट अफेयर्स यू आर लुकिंग एट, दोज हैव बीन आस्क्ड फ्रॉम इट, राइट. ऑप्शन नंबर डी, नेशनल मिशन ऑन स्ट्रेटेजिक नॉलेज फॉर क्लाइमेट चेंज इज द करेक्ट आंसर. Which of the following is not considered a biodiversity hotspot? Again related to your ecology ecology part, ठीक है, Sahara Desert is the correct answer. Which of the following is not recognized category under IUCN Rare List? Again, a part of your ecology portion, ठीक है, rare is the correct answer. Next is why are eggs rotated in brooders related to your poultry part of animal husbandry? So your topic name is animal husbandry and poultry. तो पोल्ट्री में एग वाला पोर्शन यूज किया था, मींस टॉपिक वाज आस्क्ड, ठीक है. ब्रूडर्स आर दैट मशीन्स वेयर एग्स आर केप्ट एंड देन they are rotated. Why they are rotated? To prevent the developing chip from sticking to the shell, ठीक है, so that they can rotate easily. तो इसलिए ब्रूडर्स को रोटेट किया जाता है. Which of the following given option is the ratio of crop yield to the amount of water depleted in the process of evapotranspiration, ठीक है. This again it is part of your irrigation, ठीक है, crop water use efficiency term है. And if you look at it or you observe, 90% of the questions are like that, where description has been given and you have to identify the terminology. As we said, this is the favorite way of NABARD asking questions, ठीक है. Next है, what is the scientific name of barley? अब देखो, let me tell you, such questions have been asked in your previous years also. This belongs to agronomy topic, but usually it has been observed that even if scientific names are being asked, those are being asked of like the common crops. जैसे आपके for example these millets हैं, ठीक है, these are the common crops now, ठीक है. Apart from that, जैसे strawberry पूछा गया, it's a common crop, right? So a common fruit I would say, ठीक है. So ऐसे जो known names है, those are only asked, ठीक है. But yes, it has been observed that NABARD they do ask one of the scientific name, be it in forestry. For example, one teak scientific name was asked. So teak is a very important timber in forestry and very common also, so that was asked. Strawberry is a common fruit, that was asked. Barley was asked, ठीक है. तो हर बार पूछ लेते हैं. So this is something that you have to be like prepared with, ठीक है. At least for common you can memorize, or like it's up to you again, like if you want to risk 1 marks or not, ठीक है. But I don't but please be mindful that you should not, by thinking 1 and 1, you should not lose 10-12 marks, right? For example, if you are skipping one numerical, then one this scientific name and one variety first, so that should be like maximum you should aim that even if you want to skip, maximum you should skip 5 questions, ठीक है, and you should score better in the rest of the questions, so you have to keep that in mind, ठीक है. Next is from your current affairs only, again from the scheme, and one of the key feature of the it was asked, ठीक है. 2% is the correct answer. Premium rate of kharif crop is fixed at 2%. Which of the following regulatory bodies provide subsidies for greenhouse farming? Again, if you look at it here, National Horticulture Board related to your current affairs, ठीक है, and Indian NABARD also report it was mentioned, ठीक है, and again related to your climate change portion, ठीक है. So these were all the questions that were asked, ठीक है. So I hope you have now gotten an idea that what sort of questions can be asked, why were they asked, how to prepare, ठीक है. So if you are interested in buying any course for NABARD grade A preparation, ठीक है, so we have made some courses for you, ठीक है. Whatever suits you the best, you can go for it. You just have to click on the link and you will be landing to this particular website where we have mentioned everything, what are the courses that you're getting. We are running test series where you will just get question and answers, ठीक है, sectional test, full length test, ठीक है. Then we have silver course where you get content for phase 2 and interview, and then gold course for phase 1, phase 2 and interview. We have got it courses for 2025, 2026 also. Or if you want to go for combo courses, for example you want to prepare along with RBI exam and ERDA exam, ठीक है, whatever combinations, we have given a lot of combinations, ठीक है. So whatever suits you the best, you can go for it, ठीक है. So that is all in this video. For more such video, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel, and you can also join our Telegram channel to get the PDF of this and every lecture that we provide here on YouTube. I hope this session was fruitful for you all. I wish you all the very best for your preparation. Thank you.